Welcome to how to make a tornado. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a tornado out of water. You'll need 2 empty big bottles, and you'll need to find this and
What's that? What's that?
a red thing. It has a little hole here. Tornado maker. And cap one side to one bottle, and cap the other side to the other bottle. No, but first fill the capped one with water, and then put it upside down, and then put it together. The water should be here. It can be here, or full, and then you do this, and then you wait, and then but if it doesn't start, do it again like this, then it will start.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh.
Here we have it. It's upside down. Then the tornado starts. Oh, it stopped.
Oh, amazing. Hey, where's Syuya?
I'm right here.
Oh.
And I'm going to teach you again how to make a tornado with this. Put it upside down, and then make the water spinning. Then wait. And then the tornado will start.
竜巻
龙卷风
Tornado
Tornado 我属龙。
好，做龙卷风。
我们再来一次龙卷风。
Tornado.
Be good.